Now, there are several platforms which, um, once you have the knowledge of what you want to do as a software developer, front end developer, back end developer, even if you are into cybersecurity or anything in the tech world, that you can apply for jobs. Now, but before you can apply for those jobs, it's always advisable that you have something like a portfolio website or a link somewhere that people can see what you have done. Now, what you have done may not necessarily have to be things that are like very big tasks that you have worked for a company. You can build some projects, tweak the projects. In the process of trying to build a project, you would have experienced some challenges, and then those challenges will help you to get better. Now, as you get better in these challenges and you're able to overcome them, you learn something new. Let me give you a scenario. Someone asked me to build a website that could pick up, he could drop events, and the events could be registered on a calendar. And those events at the same time, someone could click on that link, go to events, and purchase merch of the event and all that before time. I wasn't so good at it as at that time. I didn't really understand how such connections could be done on a website. But it was a challenge. It was a challenge, and I took on the challenge. I happily took on the challenge. And so all I had to do was just research, Google, and then see the code, write code, learn how the codes were arranged in such a way. And that's why it shows a pattern. When you talk of data and algorithm, it tends to show a pattern that you understand how data works, or you understand how algorithm works, or the order in which problem should be solved. So when they pick up your project, they look at it and they will now see that you have a portfolio of ideas. And then the next thing now, all you have to do is the places that you can go and apply are places like Upwork. You can build a very good bio on LinkedIn and you can get jobs because people need people also to do jobs for them on LinkedIn. You can also go to Fiverr.com, you can go to Freelancer and several other remote job websites like We Work Remotely, and you can get that done. Then you're home and dry. That's all.